What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to go over one of the greatest sets of all time. Again, I've made this video before, but I want to do an update on the set because the minifigure prices are just absolutely insane right now. So I love this set. I think it's probably one of the best sets of all time, if not the best. Definitely in the top 5 as of right now. But I made a video about this set before and I just love it. I truly do. I think it was genius making this set, the minifigures with it, and the minifigures are going for an awesome price, which we're going to look at in a second. So let's dive into it. Today we're going to talk about the Dark Falcon again, the item number 75389. This is a really unique Millennium Falcon, and I rarely say this, but a lot of times people only buy LEGO sets either for the vehicle or the minifigures. And I think this set really captures both. It's capturing both investors, eyeing this down, and I think it's going to be a grand slam of an investment if it were a 2-year set. But I truly think this set's going to be out for a very long time, so it's not going to do as well as people think. Regardless, there's going to be money in it, and right now, there's kind of some money in it. So this set comes with Darth Jar Jar, which I absolutely love. I always joke that Jar Jar Binks is a secret Sith, and I love that they made him Darth Jar Jar. And then we got Bounty Hunter C-3PO, Darth Dev, Darth Rey, Beach Luke, and Jedi Vader. Really unique, awesome minifigures. The really only minifigure that I don't like is Rey. And that's because I don't like the new movies. I don't like her character. But a lot of you might agree with this, but you're going to be shocked. And we're going to take a look at the minifigure in a second. So this is our lineup, and the ship is just, the black is just really cool. I don't know if we're really going to get a unique Millennium Falcon like this in the future ever again. So I'm definitely buying a bunch of these. I don't know how many yet. It really all depends on the retirement date. That could be the biggest factor of whether this set goes absolutely berserk or if, there's just maybe $20 to $30 in this set. So since we are investors, we have to look at all the Millennium Falcons previously, and I'm just going to capture that a little bit. We got the 2011 version, which is $139, a value right now of $250. The Kessel Run Millennium Falcon, which is probably I want to classify as the most unique Millennium Falcon we've had yet. This one retail for $169. It's got a value of $245. And then the Force Awakens Millennium Falcon, which is obviously from a terrible movie. This one retail for $149. It's got a value of $155. And then the 2004 version, which was retail for $99, got a value of $429. So we have had just a ton of Millennium Falcons, and in the future we're going to get a ton. They will never stop making Millennium Falcons, so that's something you need to be aware of before buying this set. But right now, these minifigures are going for absolutely great prices, and I would love to hear if you are one of these people that are buying this set and selling the minifigures right away to reduce the cost. You're coming out way above, in my opinion. But let's check out what they're going for right now. So Darth Jar Jar, $23.99, $39.99, $34.95, $26, $34.99, $54.99, $38.47. So Darth Jar Jar is going for great prices right now. And I think this is the best minifigure just because I've been making that running joke forever. I'm a little biased in my opinion, but I just love it. And then we've got Bounty Hunter C-3PO, which is going for $14.99, and I think that might be the only one. All right, we got $32.05 there. Let's see, do we have any others? So yeah, it looks like that's all we got for the Bounty Hunter C-3PO. I'm not really a big fan of this one. I think this is probably the weakest minifigure. They could have done absolutely insane options with C-3PO. The red eyes are great, but I think they really slacked on this one. And then let's check out Darth Dev. We got $29.95. And do we have any others? So it looks like that's the only one we've got so far. But really great pricing. I mean, $30 for that. Whoever sold that, you did a great job. Then let's check out Darth Rey, which this is the minifigure I think should not have been included. But look at the pricing. We've got $43, $38.26, a little less than 40 there probably. $39.99, $34.99, $34.95. Those are really insane pricing, and I'm really shocked. I thought this one was going to be the weakest, but it's pulling some great numbers right now. Then let's check out Beach Luke, and really we've got none right now. I'm sure there might be one on eBay somewhere somehow, but from from what I can tell, we're not really getting anything. And then let's check out Jedi Vader, which is really awesome. I think this is the one that will probably command the most money, maybe Darth Dev eventually, but the Vader is just really unique, and I think it's going to be a big money factor. And it looks like it's the biggest money factor right now. We got $48, $59.95, $54.99, $49.99, $45.52, $35.90. So really, really great pricing. But really quick, let's take a look at what people are selling the Millennium Falcon, the actual vehicle, for. You know, I want to see if somebody has done that, but let's check it out. So we've got $99 right here. That's really awesome. This one's brand new for $239.99, so someone earned a profit on that one. $200 here, $249. Absolutely insane that people are paying a premium for this set, because I don't know about you in your area. In my area, these are in stock. I wouldn't say they're flying off the shelf. They're selling normally, which is great to see, but I'm really impressed that people are actually earning a profit right now, sealed. And the ones that are selling another $100 here, somebody is really making more money than they spent, and this is just genius. Kudos to the ones that took this risk and gambled. It looks like it really, really paid off. And that's just something you have to do sometimes with Lego investing. These right here, somebody bought these for $259, $259, $259, $260, $259 again. I really need to do analysis videos on sets that come out right away, because I'm sure there's a big market for people to sell the minifigures right away, and I just don't really cover that a whole lot. I've done it, but this is kind of eye-opening, and I'm kind of seeing a potential. If I do get a ton of money in the future where I don't have to really worry about things, I think I might be comfortable taking these kinds of risks. And it's definitely a different view and take with Lego investing. And here, this one in the United Kingdom, this one sold for $289. Absolutely impressive and shocking. This is awesome. And I think a lot of people have the same view as me. This is just so unique. I don't think we're ever really going to get a set like this again in the future. This is really, truly an amazing set, and Lego knocked it out of the park. I tend to be a little hard on Lego, but it was genius making this set. Honestly, they should make this set as a UCS version. That would be amazing if they did that. Really nothing, you wouldn't, I have to say you would never see anything like that in UCS form. And if they included just a few minifigures of that set, like a really unique one, that set could sell so well in retirement. Heck, I think they could do this as an $800 Millennium Falcon, and I think people would buy it just because it's so unique. And I truly believe Lego is going to start offering $1,000 plus sets in the future. It's inevitable. I think it's going to happen. And hey, if you make it, this $800 set or $1,000 Millennium Falcon where it's giant, I think people would buy it. Now, is there money for investing? Probably not, but it would still be really cool. It really comes down to the minifigures. You would have to part them out, reduce the cost, sell the vehicle the exact same way. I think there might be a little bit of money in that. I think whoever took the big gamble on this and thought of, let's buy this set, sell the minifigures, and I guarantee they probably sold the Dark Falcon. It was genius. Kudos to everyone, and I would love to hear if you've been doing this to reduce your cost. Did you earn more money than what you spent, or are you going to hold off on this? Are you going to wait till retirement? I would love to hear your thoughts and reasoning about how you're going to invest in this set. If you're already invested in it, and if you are selling these, please share it down below. We would love to see this. I will appreciate it, and will definitely help the channel and will help the community. But expect a few more videos from me in the future about this set. I'm going to do analysis updates every so often. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate if you comment and like the videos. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.